Betul benar.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. Okay. If ma'am is ready, then we can continue. We can start.
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. You can start your presentation.
Yes.
Also, if you want to, you can turn off your camera because if you are presenting.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. Good afternoon from IYSA, Indonesia. To the Honorable Judge, we are from Student College Indonesia teams. Indonesia team will be present out our masterpiece with the title My Honorable Judge. My adorable sir, Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you for the opportunity. Good afternoon all from East Java, Indonesia. To the Honorable Judge, we are from Student College of Indonesia team. We'll be present out our masterpiece with the title Effectiveness of Antiseptic for Puzzle Grass with or Cyperus rotundus combination with aloe vera and povidone iodine for minus injuries. Next. Before our presentation, we will be tell you about our introduction, after that material and method, and then discussion and our closing statement with our conclusion. Next. For introduction. About our presentation, one on our skin caused by several things such as abrasion, laceration, braces, cuts, stab wounds, and gunshot wounds can cause seriously irritation if not get treatment quickly. With puzzle grass or Cyperus rotundus that have contacts such as alkaloids, flavonoid, and saponin, it can dry the wound quickly. In addition, puzzle grass can be more beneficial than before, which is considered a weed. Next. For material and method and the next presentation will be explained by my colleague. Please, you may have the floor.
Thank you, Tania. For the times, okay, I will to continue with the next presentations, which is the material and methods. And what about the material in here? We have to prepare some material before we make the product. There are several material that must be prepared, but this material, there are several important point. This point, the first grass puzzle, 70%, and iodine, 15%, and aloe vera, 10%, glycerin, 5%. These components are the most important component in the material that play a role in which is also needed in the manufacture of the product. Then the method our requires that we first extraction using simple extractions and test by the photochemical Turing method to find out the content of secondary metabolic. Then we know the content inside. We add the ingredients that we have prepared before. Add 15% iodine, 5% glycerin, and 10% aloe vera, and then 70% grass puzzle. And then clinical tests. And clinical test, the first irritations method, and then clear zone test, and then implementation. The last evaluations. We prepare methods and material, then we move on to the discussions. Next slide, please. That the several components in the puzzle grass, namely alkaloid, flavonoid, tannin, saponin, and polyphenol. The results of the photochemical scattering test showed that contain alkaloid, flavonoid, tannin, saponin, and steroids. Alkaloids have antibacterial activity with the mechanism on inhibiting esterase. DNA and RNA polymerase, also inhibiting cellular respiration and playing in DNA intercalations. And then flavonoids. Flavonoids are useful in natural antioxidants. And tannins. Tannins are active compounds that are able to withstand active from outside the plant body such termites. So this compound can also used as anti-termite. Compounds are active compounds of secondary metabolics which have antibacterial benefit for human, yes, for human skins. And then next slide, please. And there are two bacteria that we find in here. The first is Staphylococcus epididymis, and then in second bacteria, Propionibacterium acnes. The extract of these compounds was given at concentrations of 20%, 4%, 6%, 80%, and 100% positive control. The following are the results. Okay, let's to see how about the results of the bacteria raised this first photo. Next slide, please. Okay, and one first photo and one bacteria at concentrations of the 20% was 8 and 3 millimeter at and concentrations of 40% is toward area 11 and 43 millimeters, and at the hex concentration of extracts that is 100% with a diameter of 34 and 6 millimeter in the clearance area. And then in number 2 bacteria, at concentrations 20% it produces a clear zone diameter of the 11 and 59 millimeter, and at maximum concentrations of 100% it produces inhibit zones with diameter 38 and 71 millimeter. With the maximum ratio of concentration makes zones inhibiting of longer. Next slide, please. So, how does the system of the product become antiseptic to inhibit the bacteria? There are components that kill existing bacteria, and then this is a compound, and these three compounds: flavonoid, alkaloid, and saponins. Flavonoids work is destroying cytoplasmic cell tissues that function as regulator of food and nutrition. If the cytoplasmic are damaged, important metabolites and bacteria will come out, and food materials to produce energy cannot enter. Eventually, the target bacteria will die. And then alkaloid. Alkaloid inhibit disrupting the peptidoglycan constituents and bacteria cells so that the cell will layer is not fully formed and we cause the death of the bacteria. And then saponin. Saponin functions as a distributor of the permeability of the microbial cell membrane, which will damage the cell membrane of the microbe itself and cause damage that will result in the release of protein, nucleic acid, and nucleotides in bacteria. Next slide, please. Okay, thank you. Tanya, you may have the floor.
Okay, thank you for our closing statement and our conclusion. We have a puzzle grass is a medicinal plant belonging to the Ciberaceae family. Puzzle grass contains several active compounds that are very beneficial for humans. The content of active compound is analyzed using a phytochemical screening test. The result of the phytochemical screening test showed that the extract of turkey grass, of in English puzzle grass, contain alkaloids, flavonoids, tannins, saponins, terpenoids, polyphenols, and essential oil. This collection of compounds certainly has antibacterial properties based on the identification of the composition of secondary metabolites as well as the antibacterial content of the extract of puzzle grass. These extracts have potential as a naturally antibacterial and antiseptic. So this is from us. Thank you for the opportunity. We are ready to be winning the first position in this event. Before we closing our presentation, we want to explain you about our little narrative text from Indonesia. Indonesia is most beautiful land in the universe. Indonesia is country definitely so maximize the potential. From Indonesia, we say thank you so much. For the next agenda, I give it back for the moderator. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Good job. Nice presentation. Thank you. I have a question from you. You said that for the grass extract plate that you use in the bacterial plate, you tested 2 bacteria, yes? And you said that you use 10% of this plant extract, 20%, 40%. I didn't get what does it mean? You diluted your stock? Do you know what I mean?
Can you repeat with the point for your question, Miss?
Ma'am is asking, when you had the colonies, not the colonies, sorry, the bacteria, the plant extract, the plant extract. When you were testing for the plant extract, did you make your concentration, did you change the concentrations of it?
Okay, thank you for these questions about it. Here I will answer these questions. Yes, in this test screenman, you can back to slide presentations with the research about it. Yeah. Back for the in this picture one, in this test we can given a concentrations with 2000%, 46%, and then for this point in this P-rex or in this cup of bacteria more different like that. And then how this puzzle grass extra puzzle grass can make this inhibition zone, because this is extract of puzzle grass can contain such as flavonoid and metabolic secondary such as alkaloid, flavonoids, and and any other of tannins. So because they did make this this extract can be inhibit zone, can make this inhibit zone for
Okay, I got it. My question is, you said that you use 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%, and 100%. Okay, 100% of what? You extract the, you have the plant extract, and you are putting some water and make the 10% concentration of this stock, the main stock. Yes, you do this.
Yes, sir. Yes, in these
Okay.
extractions. Okay, like that.
Okay. What is your positive control? You don't mention it.
Sorry, sir. In this area, is speaker is noise, and then don't be.
You said that you have a positive control in your test. Okay. When we have a positive control, for example, in this case, we should have maybe one antibiotic that is very good for this bacteria and killing all of the bacteria. We use this for a positive control that show that this antibiotic kills the make the 3 millimeters area and killing the bacteria, but my construct, my plant extract make 4 millimeter. It's very good than this antibiotic, or not, make 2 millimeter. It's good enough than using antibiotic, and maybe the other effects are antibiotic. It's not in your plant extract. Do you understand what I say? What is your positive control? You said that you have a control.
Positive control. Okay, so we have the positive. Discussion for give example.
In all biological tests, we have positive control and negative control. Okay? You said that you here has a positive control. I'm asking from you, what is your positive control?
Okay, may I asking the questions in this positive control? We make this a different of with the subject of different bacteria, and then the first bacteria one is Staphylococcus epidermisi, and then the Propionum agnes. Different about the result, like that.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I don't have any more question. I am fine for now. Thank you.
That's right.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Excuse me, Miss Answer, any question again from our presentation or no?
So far, no.
You can leave the room. Thank you so much. Good job.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, judges.
And see you. Thank you.